Good morning everyone, my name is BT and this morning I'm going to see the flood. I heard that the flood is nearly gone along Chamkar Doung Road Street 217. It starts from Angkor Chrey Bridge all the way from Angkor Chrey Market to Prek roundabout. So we're going to see that together. And right now I'm in front of Indra High School in Thukok, and this is PTT gas station in Thukok. So let's go. So this place is called Seafood Market, and this is the train railway, the train road. It's the seafood market here. Popular seafood market, called Lao Bai Seafood Market. It's along 598 Street in Campus City. This bridge is called Prek Chrey Bridge or Prek Chrey Bridge. We're not going on the bridge, we're going under the bridge. We are on Chamkar Doung Street, and on the left is the Government Hospital, formerly Prek Chrey Hospital. We are on Chamkar Street heading to Wainwright, but we are not going to Wainwright. From here, if we go straight, we go into Wainwright. We turn left, we go into Chamkar Doung at Chamkar Doung Street 217. We are on Chamkar Doung Street 217 heading to Prek Chrey Bridge. It's Baku traffic light. If we go right, it's Street 60M. If we go straight, we go into Prek Chrey Bridge. Right here is Prek Chrey Bridge. I'm now on Prek Chrey Bridge. It's not too flooded. The water level is just going down a little bit. So I'm going straight to Prek Chrey Market. Right here it's Prek Chrey Market on the left, as you can see. And if we go straight, it's a flooded road. It's Chamkar Doung flooded road. You can see that it's still flooded, but it's not too flooded. The water is just going down a little bit. So I'm here in front of Prek Chrey Market, and the road is still flooded. Phú một bên nào Vinh? Ồ, Tiger. Là nó sọt nữa bù. Ồ. Làm bên kia đây. Làm bên kia đây. Làm bên Vinh ơi. It's sugarcane juice. One cup it start from 1,000 real to 2,000 real. The small cup is 1,000 real. A bigger cup is 2,000 real. Look at that man. He walked his motorcycle, his scooter in the flood. I experienced driving in the flood like this. The engine just stopped. It doesn't work, and you need to bring it to get it fixed. I changed the engine oil 3 times, but it's still white. It still looks like milk. That's the army truck that brings soldiers to help people who suffer from flood. And this is Prek Chrey Market. So let's driving tour in the market. It's quiet. It seems like no vendor coming to the market, and there's no buyer as well. That's why there's no vendor. And at the back is parking lot where they park the car and motorcycle. And I turn left back into the market. It's still quiet in the morning. It seems like no vendor coming to the market, or maybe it's not opening yet because it's 6:30 a.m. Look at the right, there's still some foods selling here. So maybe only food vendor come to sell food, serving breakfast. Here we can see we can come for breakfast at Prek Chrey Market, but any other thing like clothes, shoe and grocery, nothing. The phone shop is opening. Get back to Chamkar Doung Street 217, back to Prek Chrey Bridge. I'm now on Prek Chrey Bridge. It's on Chamkar Doung Street 217. Back to Phnom Penh City, back home. I need to go to work at 8. So let's go home.